So over here you can see that I have a video clip in my timeline, and if I were to go around and resize this video clip, you can see that the background color right now is black. So if you want to go ahead and change the background color, then as you select the video clip over here, you can see that background is an option. Once you go around and select out the background, you can select from one of these colors right here. Simply click and the colors are applied, as you can see right here. What you can also do is you can go around and take the color picker and take any color that you have from the pixels that you see as a sample as well, even from over here, as you can see from the menus and so forth. But let me just go around and take this color from the video itself, and that color has been applied as the background. So that's one option right here. You can see that I have this right here, and if I were to go around and bring in another clip over here just like this, and for this clip you need to go around and select the background separately right here. So for each of the clip, the background is set separately just like this. Let me just go around onto background over here, and instead of color, you can see that I can go around and select out the individual color right here as well, any color that I want. And if I were to click on apply to all, then you get the same color applied over there as well. So another choice that you have is you can go for format right here, as you can see, and select out from one of these effects right here for the background option, as you can see right here, just like this as well, from one of these presets that you see for the background, as you can see right here. Another thing that you can do is select out blur. Let's say, for example, you can select this and you get a blurred out version of the same image, as you can see right here, the same video. If you're working with low resolution videos, this is a good option right here as well. Let's just go around onto background and select this. It blurs it out even more right here, as you can see. Select this, it blurs it out even more and more right here. But you get the same blurred out background image, as you can see right here. Similarly for this, you can go around and select out, let's say, blur, and this is what you have as a result, as you can see right here. You get the same image or video clip right here, and it blurs that out and keep it in the background, which is a good way to actually go around and show small video clips as well. Or maybe if you have a vertical video clip and so forth and you want to blur it out and show, then this is a way to do so right here as well. So that is what you have. Or you can select none right here as well. But let me just go around and select out blur. And that is how you can work around with the background options inside of CapCut. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.